This is my dog. Yay, hi. 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 And he's just a little puppy. And I made a video, which puppy should I do? And yeah, this is my puppy. His name is Louie. And yeah, he gets very tired a lot. He's only 6 weeks old. I heard his first bark before. What are you doing? He's my dog. My dog. There he is. This cute little puppy. Oh my goodness, it's so hard. He likes his ball. He is really drooling now. Oh, there he goes. Come on. Oh, are you sleepy? And, hey, are you biting me? Don't bite me. Yeah. This is my little puppy. And bye. Mom.